How to create a pop-up discount to your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. So first, just log into your Shopify admin, click on discounts, and basically you just want to create the discount that you want to add to your pop-up. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a very generic discount here. So once that's done, make sure you go to the Shopify App Store and search up Shopify Forms and make sure you click on install. Once you install that, you simply just want to click on create form from the top right corner and select pop-up form. And I'm just going to name this discount and click on create. Now in here, you're just going to basically customize the form, the teaser, and so on. So whatever you want to view, you can just do it from here. You can view the teaser first, see if you even want it or not. In my case, I'm just going to remove the teaser as it is. I don't really need it. I'm just going to leave the form. And then we can just go and scroll down and adjust the form. In here, you can just feel free to change the title. So whatever you say here is going to also show up here on the live preview on the right side. Next up, you also can change the content, which again is going to be right down here. And then you can just feel free to add the different fields for the sign up. I'm just going to remove the first name and I'm just going to leave the email and turn this off. And now we just want to scroll down until we find the appropriate thing here, which is going to be in the success message. So if we select success, we just want to click on select discount. And here we're just going to go ahead and select this one. And now we are just going to have the discount code here. So people are just going to be able to sign up and they're just going to get their discounts right away, where they can just basically copy this and use their discount code. So next up, you can feel free to adjust the styling of the entire pop-up. So to your liking, I'm just going to leave it as it is, like so. And I'm just going to click on save and turn on form from the top right corner. So just click on turn on form. And also, if it's your first time creating a form, you want to go to online store, themes, click on edit theme. And I'm just going to get the pop-up, so I'm just going to use it anyway. So as you can see, once someone actually submits their email, they're going to get to the discount code. They can just basically copy it and add that to their checkout. But for you, if it's your first time, as I was saying, go to themes, click on the app embeds here on the top. Make sure the forms is toggled on and click on save. And now the pop-up should actually work. Just make sure you turn it on back from the forms tab. With that being said, that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.